What's up, you guys? I did the most basic YouTuber intro. Okay, but I'm going to Florida in 2 weeks, so I gotta pack. Well, I don't have to because it's 2 weeks away, but I'm excited to, so I'm gonna pack for that. And I'm just gonna have you guys watch me because I like watching these videos. They get me happy, they get me excited for my vacation. So I'm gonna have you guys watch me pack. So first I'm going to show you my outfit that I go to the airport with. This is just a very comfortable, lightweight outfit. So once I get to Florida, I won't be as hot because it is really cold where I am. I just wear my NMDs with that because you always need an athletic shoe for when you go on vacation. I'm packing this pink tie-dye shirt because it is very lightweight and perfect for the beach. This next shirt that I packed is very cute. It's just a simple pink t-shirt. You will be surprised, Florida some days and sometimes during the night gets really cold, so I packed some jeans and a crew neck. And of course I packed these shorts because they go with everything. My favorite part is the dresses. So this is just a floral dress and I got it from Kohl's, and with discounts it was only $15, so that was amazing. This dress is short, but I packed it for a beach dress. For those really hot days, you need something flowy, and I think this dress is perfect for it. This next dress is a little big, but I love it so much that I had to bring it. In addition to my NMDs, I have these lace flats, which are so cute, and they go with almost every outfit. As a fancier option, I'm bringing some brown wedges to pair with my dresses. So the rest of the things I'm going to pack are 2 bras, a bunch of underwear because I like to change it 2 times a day. I don't know, I'm weird like that. Socks, fuzzy socks included because it may get cold at night. And make sure to pack everything else you need, like makeup, phone charger, toothbrush, everything like that. Also, by the way, this mascara, Better Than Sex Waterproof, don't buy it. It is terrible. I'm bringing it just because it's the only mascara that's not expired yet, but don't buy it. It is not waterproof at all.